I am going to start the class. All of you sit with your math classwork copy. I hope that you are having classwork copy. I hope that you all are having classwork copy. Yes. No need to say yes, no, or whatever. Take out your classwork copy. Okay. Take out your classwork copy and sit with that. Take out your classwork copy and sit with that.
Ma'am, what computer? Yes, ma'am.
Maths classwork copy. Maths classwork copy you sit today. I am going to give you few questions. Here you need to write down those things. I am giving you few questions and here you need to just answer those questions. Okay. So put CW and date, today's date. Here we are just doing the revision thing. So put the heading as revision. Okay. So put the heading as revision like this. Please keep your sides mute. Today's date is what? Today's date is 08. Okay, so whatever the revision work, always these are always important. Okay, so see it nicely, see it carefully, very, very carefully. Okay, I am just giving you the questions, few questions. You need to just write down the answers by yourself. Afterwards, I will just discuss. Okay, first you write, afterwards only I will discuss. Okay, very easy question.
I'm writing copy.
Yes, of course, copy. Maths classwork copy. Write the 12 months name. You all know January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Like this way you need to write. Okay. Please you write down by yourself. Come on, start to write down the names. January, February, March, April, like this.
January. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, this I am writing, but this assignment section will be submitted.
No need to submit. If any day you need to submit anything, I will tell that. I will also tell that in the class. Okay, so today's classwork, no need to submit because here only I will tell you the answers. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Please keep your please keep your sides mute. So I am writing the answers. Yes. Yes.
Write down 12 months name. Okay.
Ma'am, I will also write answer.
Yes, you all start to write answers. You know the answers. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Here you first write down. Afterwards, I will go. I'm just coming to. I will say few things like this.
Okay.
Write the names like this. Okay. Why I will tell. First, you write the names like this. First, you all solve these questions like this. Now here, January is the first month, right? January is the first month, right? Like the same way, February is the second month. You need to write this thing also. The ordinal numbers of the each month you need to write. Okay, March is the third month. April is the fourth month. These all things I think you all know, though then also we are just doing the revisions. May is the fifth month. June, and this is June month is going on sixth month. July is the seventh month. Why we are just going to write like this, so that if I'm going to give any questions, that you can just answer those questions, okay? Please keep your sides mute. Ashraful, please keep your sides mute. Ashraful, I can't listen to you anything. Please keep your sides mute. Okay, so this is the month name. Suppose afterwards I am giving you few questions like this. Which is the 11th month of the year? What you will write? Suppose I am giving you the option. Option A, I have given like January. Write the question also, okay?
Sure.
B, suppose given I'm giving the option September. Suppose I am giving the option October, November and December. The answer I am giving you like so you need to choose 11th month. From here you can see that November is the 11th month. So here, yes, November, you all know. So here you have to choose the November, right? And in the OMR sheet, you need to fill the November month, right? So please just don't need to draw anything. Please please with your pencil mark answer C. Okay. Here I am showing by red color over here. Okay, so November is the month. Like this way you need to practice. Okay, this can be one type of question which can come from here, which can come from here. So these all are very important things. You all know the month's name, okay? And this kind of questions are there in your revision chapter. That means first chapter. Okay, write everything nicely. I will rub the board. Please write everything nice.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay.
From where are the days of
Very fast you write down, all of you. If you are done, it's okay, fine, you sit. No need to say anything. Keep yourself mute. If completed, no need to say anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Three students only raise the hand. At least 10 students, I mean that they should raise the hand. Only then I will just give the questions. Yes, 10 students given. So I'm clearing all the drawing, all the things over here.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
This was very easy thing. Man's name and beside that ordinal number you can write. Write faster. Every day I'm telling you the same thing. Write faster and faster. But you are not listening to me. So I'm going to the question. Next question. Okay.
Ma'am, it is math class.
Obviously. Who is telling this now?
Ma'am, I am Sabnu Parveen.
Sabnoor,
मैम मैं सब्जेक्ट का नेम पूछ रही
just try to speak in English. Try to speak in English. Otherwise, I will not listen to anything and I will not answer those questions if you are going to speak it in Bengali and Hindi. Write the number of days on each month. Number of days on each month. So first you write down January, how many days are there? After that, February, how many days are there? Normally, February, how much days are there? We are going to come on the next thing, that leap year topic, okay? March, how many days are there? If you know, you can just write by yourself. April, May, write down how many days are there in the January, right? 31 days. And in February, how many days? 28 days in normal. And in leap year we will just learn later. Okay, leap year, how many days? 29 days. Okay. Afterwards, in March, again, how many days are there? 31 days. After in April, 30 days are there. May, very fast you need to write down, okay? Alternatively, it is coming 30, 31, 30, 31. Only July and August, these are 2 months where 31 days are coming on each month, okay? Write it down very fast. So next question is pretty much very easy. I'm just giving filling the blanks. You know the answer. Then also I am telling fill in the blanks. Question number A. I'm giving, suppose there are how many days? There are 365 days in a year. If I'm not going to say anything, that means normally you will take the normal year. That means that is not a leap year, okay? And one more thing we will just cover over here, that is leap year. Write it down very, very fast. 2024 means 2024 will come, okay? Previous year, 2020 was a leap year, okay? Again, previously 2016 was a leap year, okay? These years, leap years, okay? Leap years, you all will see that are always always divisible by 4, okay? So here please write down, we can divide leap year. Just let me tell fast, write down fast, we can divide the leap year. I couldn't listen, write down fast. So this is the conditions. By this, if we are going to see, these are leap year, okay? And in the leap year, how many days are there? Please keep your sides mute. Please keep your sides mute. What is this? Let me explain first. Afterwards, you can ask your question. Here, all the things you can see that leap year. What is the fourth year means? No, fourth year means what I am going to tell over here. Fourth year means suppose consider from 2000. Okay, 2000 was a leap year. 2000 was a leap year. Okay, it is divisible by 4. And that means here how many days were there? Here 366 days are there. Next, coming to 2001, this is not a leap year, so this is here, this is 365 days only, okay? Next, coming 2002, okay, 2002 was not a leap year because it is not divisible by 4, okay, we can see. So here also 365 days. Again, coming to 2003, same thing, not divisible by 4, so 365 days. Again, it is coming like 2004, okay? This number, you all can see that this number is getting divided by 4, that means it is a leap year. That means every 4th year means first, second, third, fourth. Again, first, second, third, fourth. Like this way, when 2008 will come, there was also 366 days, and this was a leap year. Okay, so leap year, I am just highlighting the leap year. Here 2000 is a leap year. Here 2004 is a leap year. Only understand that which leap year 2008 is a leap year, and here you will just try to understand that 366 days are there in a leap year. Okay, and we can divide the leap years by 4. Means if the year we can just divide by 4, it is only a leap year. Otherwise, it is not a leap year. Okay, I think I am clear, very much clear on that, on it. Okay, today much time is not there. You try to write down whatever is written. If possible, I will come back to this subject again tomorrow. Okay, write down everything. I need to take the attendance also. Please write down. No need to raise the hand. No need to raise the hand. please try to write down very fast. I will just, the class will be end very soon. No need to submit or no need to just put anything. And if it is a leap year, you all will see that in the leap year only there is actually which one day is getting added on the February month. Okay, so these things you need to remember. Question answer format again we will do tomorrow from these topics. Yes, who is just raising the hand? Yes, surely. Did you understood? Yes,
Ma'am,
well,
I complete.
understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Meghna, what is the problem? Any problem is there? Not understanding anything or something?
Ma'am, I completed.
Understood what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.